guys, I've been sent this WPL Off-Road Hercules trail truck. Now this has been sent to me today by RCMoment.com. What I'll do then, I'll put a link in the description box right below this video if you want to take a look at this thing. So this is a 1/16 scale 4x4. It also has LED lights on the front. Now the truck itself has the following measurements. And it comes in two different colours. You've got C14, C24, red or mustard. It says on the box you get ground clearance of 6 centimetres. This is just looking around the box. So everything you need is in here apart from the 2 AA batteries for the transmitter. This comes with a 6-volt battery pack and it's actually 2.4 gigahertz. Let's have a look inside the box. Left wood, right wood, huh? Pull the package out. Okay, some instructions. Let's just take this out of its packaging. Got a USB charger so we can charge this thing on a computer or laptop or a wall plug. Truck itself. Wow, quite surprisingly that weighs more than I thought it would. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Transmitter. That feels a bit cheap unfortunately, but it's, you know, this is a toy rather than a hobby grade RC. And then we've got some little goodies in this bag here. It looks like there's some body mounts, so perhaps side steps, looks like a snorkel for the body, and some towing mounts and other bits and pieces. So I'll just get you in a little closer on the parts that you get included with this. There's some wing mirrors, side steps, and tow hooks, a lighting mount, snorkel, some wipers, and the bits and pieces as well. You can see the little mounting holes on the side where these accessories actually sit on this truck. Alright, so all the accessories are now installed on this truck. Now it says in the manual that the battery takes about 2 hours to charge, and the battery actually sits tucked away inside this little box at the back, which I really like. I think that's quite cool. It's a nickel metal hydrate, 700 milliamps, so it's a 6-volt. These are AA batteries in here. Now obviously you can charge that with the USB charger. So let's have a little look around the truck properly. So there's no foam in the tyres. It looks like they're just stuck on, they're not even glued. I don't think they're glued on. I must admit the truck does look better with the accessories installed. So I really like the tow hooks here. They're really cool. Going around the truck, there's a lot of attention to detail, to be fair. You know, there are some cool features on this truck. The steering servo looks pretty basic from what I've seen. You can see the on-off switch there, and you can basically just change how much it steers left or right from the little trim in white there, rather than the transmitter itself. So that's a bit of a downfall because you can't do it kind of remotely. You've got to stop the truck. You can see, actually, it does look quite cool. I'm looking forward to giving this thing a go, to be honest, because it's got a lot of return on the suspension. The 4-wheel drive looks interesting. If we take a look at the rear, you can see that it's pretty much the same as the front. You know, it's got some nice attention to detail. There's no springs on the shocks, unless they are inside, which I'm guessing they must be actually. So, no, I must be wrong. The springs must be inside the shocks. Yeah, I bet they are. We've got a spare wheel on the back. The truck itself really does weigh quite a lot. It's quite surprising when you lift it out the box. You know, it weighs quite a lot, and that's because it has got a metal chassis. So you can see the chassis plates running through the truck, and if I just turn this on its back here, actually underneath there's quite a lot to see. I really like the drive shafts going through the centre. You know, they make a big difference, and these are actually working. So if we look at this quite carefully, the tyres do actually move, front and rear. There's no differentials, but you wouldn't expect that for this sort of money. It does overall look quite interesting, I must admit. Overall looks quite interesting. Not too sure what to think about the steering at the moment, because there's no servo as such. I don't know what it is. It's got to be some sort of servo, maybe not digital proportional, just one setting for left and one setting for right, one for forward, one for back. Let's plug it in and have a little look at it. I want to see these working headlights on the front. Wow, they're pretty cool actually. Quite like those. Not bad. Let's take a look at the steering on this thing. So I'm going to steer left and right. Let's see what it does. Whoa. So that isn't digital or proportional, that's just one way left and one way right. Let's have a look at the acceleration of this thing. Oh, okay. So that is actually proportional. The more you accelerate, the faster it goes. Reverse. That is the same. Wow, that's nice. Let's have a look at these drive shafts underneath, because I actually really am impressed with these. Let's have a little run with these. That's pretty cool. Looking forward to giving this a go, guys. Quite impressed so far. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and I will put the link in the description box right below this, just for this product if you want to take a look at it. I quite enjoyed adding these extras onto this truck. It made quite a bit of difference. What I will do is I'll leave a link for this product in the description box right below this video. Thanks again, RCMoment, for sending me this video today, and stay tuned for the running video later on. Take care, guys. See you later.